Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Binance Level 2 verification. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to the Identification section. You'll see different verification levels listed there. Select Verify Now under the Level 2 option to begin the enhanced verification process. This step is crucial for expanding your trading capabilities and ensuring a more secure experience on the platform. To complete Level 2 verification, you'll need two main types of documents. A valid government-issued identification, such as your passport or driver's license, is essential. Additionally, you'll need proof of address, like a recent utility bill or bank statement dated within the last 3 months. Make sure all details on your documents match your Binance account information exactly to avoid delays. The verification process involves a few simple steps. First, upload clear, high-resolution images of your government ID, both front and back. Next, submit your proof of address document. Finally, you'll be prompted to complete a live facial verification. This usually involves a quick scan using your device's camera to confirm your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully for a smooth submission. Achieving Level 2 verification significantly boosts your Binance experience. You'll gain much higher daily withdrawal limits, often up to 100 BTC, and unlock access to more advanced trading features. The review process typically takes a few days, so be patient. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.